This is Kevin with New Flow St. Louis. I'm at 7735 St. Albans Ave, 63117. I'm now pushed all the way out to the backyard trap in the main waste stack right next to the stairwell in the furnace room. Like I said, I've pushed out all the way out to the backyard trap. This is 6-inch clay. This is for our final video for our CIPP liner. Line from the cast of clay back to PVC connection, which services the bathroom. Also a floor drain. This clay is in good condition at this time. Do not see any major offset or root intrusion. Tie-in on top for the area way drain. Here are the transitions, 6x4 transition, 6-inch clay to 4-inch cast iron. Like I said, we line from this all the way back to a PVC connection in the system. There's some major cracking in the line root intrusion in this section of cast iron. Fix that with our CIPP liner, carrier-in-place pipe liner. Creates a seamless pipe so nothing can intrude. Right here we are at the PVC. There's a Y connection on the right for the toilet. Another Y connection on the left for the sink. Continuing back, come back into cast iron. This cast iron is in good condition at this time. You don't see any major cracking or root intrusion. There's some scale buildup, but that's very common for cast iron. Another connection right here on the left. Coming up the stack now. Go to the PVC. 4-inch all the way up. There's a stairway, the bathroom's over there. The system runs out towards the back of the building. Furnace. This has been a final video of our CIPP liner at 7735 St. Albans Ave, 63117.